Pedro Dueno, welcome. Thank you so much. God bless. Yes, it's better like that. It's better like that, John, because like for us, it's really useless. We got married with a red carpet, blah 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 blah. It's really useless, and it's so hard to have annulment in Philippines. It will take too much money. Love at the point of dying on a cross for who you love. Wow. You are tired, Kara? Just listen. Just listen and read the comments, Kara, okay? I know it's not on your age, but at least you will learn also. My partner is my best friend. Yes, that's really nice, Simon. Like, you know, with the partner, you should be open to everything. Like, communication must be there. That's how it should be. Zain Ol Abidin. Zain, welcome. Thank you so much. From where are you, Zain? I came from Philippines. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you, thank you. You like Philippines? Yes, you can visit Philippines. There's a lot of tourist spots in Philippines. It seems you are vaping. I'm not vaping. But I think I smell too much already. I got little bit headache now. So I think I should stop. A big vape. Oh, because you just came, Kara, you didn't say, okay, I will on it again. It's only a humidifier, Kara. Simon teach me how to use with the oil. I'm not vaping. That is her hookah pipe. Hookah pipe. This guysin is also smoothie. Except you, what is another beautiful things in Philippines? There's a lot, Zane. There's a lot. So you should discover it. Discover all the beautiful things in Philippines. You can visit Philippines anytime, Zane. Don't touch my mom. Thank you, Kara. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. I think I will off now. My duty later will be 11 to 8 in the morning. Now it's almost 3 o'clock here. Yes, when I came first, I discovered you for staying and then discover Philippines' beautiful places. There is a pretty red tulip in Albania. I love tulips. It's really nice.